shopping. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cole and you are watching The Real Coley. As y'all can see, I'm about to style my hair. Since I posted this, you know that the style went well. So I'm here to show y'all how I achieved a half up, half down quick weave over my almost waist length locks. I have been locked for 3 years now and I started at chin length. I only use natural hair products. So if you are interested in purchasing natural hair products, 100% organic, click that link down below. I am not about to sit here and take the credit for this beautiful style. I was inspired by someone on Instagram. I'm gonna post her video here. Her Instagram is royal._t with 3 E's. She didn't post a tutorial on how to do it. She kind of just showed what was going on, and I was like, okay, I could kind of piece it together, because before I was locked, I knew how to install wigs on myself. I knew how to do a quick weave on myself. So I want to thank her for giving me the inspo, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with somebody looking to achieve this style over their locks. And let's get into this tutorial. Right, first things first, like I always do before I style my hair, I go in and I moisturize. This is the scalp repair mist from Nema Naturals, and I'm just going in, especially making sure I get the back of my head, because girl, that's about to be braided and tucked away for I don't know how long I plan on keeping this in my hair, honestly, truly. But you know, maybe a good week and a half, 2 weeks. And then I'm gonna go in with the Crown Elixir hair oil, and I'm just going to smooth that into my hair. I'm going to section off the front of my hair, which will be retwisted, like 2 rows of locks in the front. I don't really want the ponytail to be too thick. I'm actually gonna tie this up out the way, and then I'm going to retwist the front of my hair just so it can set a little longer while I am doing the quick weave portion. So I have 17 locks to retwist, which is not bad at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and retwist this, and then I will be right back. So I just finished retwisting the front of my hair. I am about to flat twist, sort of cornrow up the back of my hair, and I'm gonna try to show y'all the process, but I'm really not that girl when it comes to cornrows. Yeah. I'm gonna probably do 4 rows. I'm gonna try and really attempt to cornrow this, or even like flat twist it in a way that just stays. Okay, so ooh, this is kind of bulky, I'm not gonna lie. Okay y'all, so I did the first half of my hair, and I'm gonna show y'all. So the first one I kind of like rolled, but the second one I did like a crisscross type of barrel braid-ish thing, and I feel like that one looks a lot flatter. Like this is a lot more flat to my head. This is the braid. This is a little coil or the twist type of thing, and I feel like it's not as flat to my head, so I'm gonna redo this. And yeah, like I don't know if y'all could tell the difference. Like, can y'all tell? Like, look how not flat that is, and then look how nice and flat that is. So yeah, I'm gonna redo that, and then I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna come back.
Makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it. Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't
All right, so I finished the back of my head and it actually got pretty flat back there. I'm gonna show you, and it might not look the prettiest. All right, so this is the back, and I don't know how it looks back there. It might actually look kind of cute. Wait a minute. I can't really tell, but it might be kind of cute. So boom, these are my 4 cornrows, and I'm going to try my very best to make this like flat enough for me to like put in a wig cap, because my hair is very thick. I got 2 wig caps, and then I'm also going to be using a plastic cap because I don't want the glue to seep into my locks. I just got some open bobby pins, if y'all can see. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin down these braids because I'm not about to sew and all that, but I want to pin it in a position that's not gonna hurt my head for one.
My heart, my mind, and my body.
That's as good as it's about to get. I hope this is flat enough. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2. I'm gonna take this wig cap and there we go. And now I gotta sew it down so it does not move at all.
I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last to my.
I'm going in with this protective shield, which is to make sure no glue touches your hair or your scalp. I don't have a brush, so I'm just gonna kind of glop it on here with the glove. I need this side to be a little flatter. Oh, this is a little hard. And I don't know how much you're supposed to use. If you're supposed to use a lot, a little bit. I don't know. I'm gonna just start pouring it into the glove and just glopping this on. Like, what is a protective shield? Like, is this glue? Because it's also very much sticky. And it got all these chemicals in it. See, this is why I'm glad I'm locked, because I don't gotta deal with all these damn chemicals seeping into my scalp. I think that's like, that was another reason why I definitely wanted to lock my hair, because these products are so terrible. And then people wonder why they dealing with headaches every day and all these health hormonal issues, because they putting all these chemicals directly on their scalp. This is what we working with. All protected up. I don't know if I'm missing any spots, but it is what it is at this point. Am I supposed to let this dry? Spread an ample amount to completely cover the hair. Sit under the dryer for 15 to 20 minutes. The protective shield is dry. I purchased the organic body wave, breezy wave bundles. I got a pack of 3. I don't know if I'm gonna need 3, but I just want to make sure it's like full enough to cover up this bulge. I got the color 1B, and I got 24 inches, and then I got another pack, same wave but 18 inches. Okay, so this is the wave I went with. I didn't want anything too straight, but I also didn't want anything too curly. I got the Salon Pro 30-second Super Bond hair glue back in like 2012 to 2015. The girls was using this to apply their lashes, and I thought they were fucking insane, because why would you use hair glue for your lashes? they make lash glue.
He's so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend.
All right, y'all. So this is just one pack of hair. I want to scooch it back a little bit more, or at least tilt this up. So yeah, this is one pack of hair. That last strip y'all just seen me put on, that was from the second pack. So I have quite a ways to go. So I'm actually glad I got 3 packs of the 24. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it going. So what I started doing was measuring the whole thing, boom, and then I just cut that whole piece in half so it's easier to glue.
Wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know you ain't gonna talk alright. I know you ain't gonna talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you.
I finished up the entire portion of my head, and as y'all saw, I only did 2 rows of the front because I didn't want to retwist that much, and on top of that I didn't want a big bulky ponytail to have to wrap around. So here's my ponytail. What I would suggest, the front, the very front row, make sure you are retwisting back into like a ponytail so that it's like, how can I explain this? Just make sure you're not retwisting it like flat, like to the side, like if you were to wear it down. Pull the hair back and then retwist it, because it just makes it easier to sleek into a ponytail and it looks way sleeker. I had to redo the whole front because I was retwisting it regular, and when I put it in a ponytail it was kind of like bulging and not cute. It's quite hard, it's quite difficult. Alright, so just braiding. I'm gonna take a rubber band, just tie off the end. Okay, cool. So the ponytail's nice and centered. Now where is, I'm gonna put this on it the best way I can, because yeah. I don't even know if the other girl did this part to her ponytail. I think she mainly did it to the back of her hair. But yeah. Okay, so that was easy. Look how easy that was. Perfect. And I just want to make sure the clear plastic is not showing. And then that's bad, so I should probably sew this together so it does not do that. The air he breathes.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah.
And this is the final product. The ponytail looks so cute. What I will say is make sure that when you are doing your ponytail with your locks, make sure that it is laid how you want, because my second row of retwisted locks were kind of ruffled up like how I said the front row was, and I didn't peep that until just now after I done already wrapped my ponytail. So I just like took a few open pins and try to like pin it to like smooth it out. Now I'm gonna do my edges, but I will say this ain't a long-term style. I feel like my hair is like completely covered. And if you plan on itching your scalp with your finger, you're not gonna do it. It's not possible. So you're gonna have to carry around a rat tail comb with you everywhere you go, because girl, the plastic, the wig cap, the webs, like, no. I'm gonna lay my edges and I'm gonna come back. Also, if you are in need of an edge tutorial, I have one on my channel. I will link it down below. I have a retwist tutorial also on my channel if you need help retwisting the front of your hair. Something cute for the new year, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, shout out to that girl who did this style and inspired me. Will I do this again? Probably, but maybe not until months and months and months later.
Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
If you guys enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, whatever you feel inclined to do. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more lock content or more vlogs or whatever I post. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Been so lost without you.